Ba Omer, first of all, it's a day of celebrating the Jewish soul, right? The Jewish soul is about joy, about spirit, about being above this world, and of course also pride. Pride is something from the soul, from inside, and it's Jewish Pride Day, and we're celebrating all together, sitting together, eating together, and we're proud to be Jews and celebrate publicly outside. This is why we're here. Chag Sameach.
Great Lag Ba Omer, great people, great community, great for the kids, connected us to all the good things. Bye!
Thank you for joining us for this Lag Ba Omer event. We hope you enjoyed yourself, and we invite you to join us for our future events. You could follow us on our website or on our Facebook page. Thank you for being with us.